Hello dear students, welcome to mathematics class. In this class, let us discuss some more examples on the particular integral of the second case, means when the RHS of the differential equation is of the form sin ax or cos ax. So already we have finished the first case, that is e power ax. So whenever RHS is of the form e power ax, then simply we need to substitute d is equal to a, and when the RHS is of the form sin ax or cos ax, then we need to substitute d square equal to minus a square. So now this is the first example. Solve the differential equation d square minus 4 into y is equal to e power x plus sin 2x. So here the auxiliary equation is m square minus 4 equal to 0. Then we get the roots as plus or minus 2. So here plus or minus 2 are the real and distinct roots. So therefore the complementary function is given by c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Then let us go for the particular integral. So particular integral is equal to 1 divided by f of d into whatever the function exists on RHS of the differential equation. So here function on RHS is e power x plus sin 2x. So we know the particular integral for e power x or sin x cos x, but here it is the sum of two functions. Then we need to split the f of d for both the functions separately. So therefore 1 divided by d square minus 4 into e power x plus 1 divided by d square minus 4 into sin 2x, because the first function is e power x and the second function is e power sin 2x. For the first function the value of a is equal to 1, and for the second one a is equal to 2, and here we need to substitute d is equal to 1 and d square equal to minus a square means minus 4. So therefore here this particular integral is equal to 1 divided by d square is 1 minus 4 e power x plus 1 divided by, so here d square is minus a square, that minus a square is minus 4 sin 2x. So therefore minus 1 divided by 3 e power x, because it is minus 3, plus minus 1 divided by 8 into sin 2x. So therefore here this is minus 1 by 3 e power x minus 1 by 8 sin 2x is the particular integral. Then write the complete solution y is equal to cf plus pi. So it is the way to write the particular integral when RHS is of the form, or it is the sum or difference of two or more functions. If it is the sum or difference, then directly split the denominator to each and every function separately, then go for the corresponding particular integral. So here the first part is of the form first case, that is 1 by f of d into e power ax, and the second part is 1 by f of d into sin ax. So therefore split the function which is in the denominator for each and every function which is given on the right hand side of the differential equation. The next example is d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e power minus 4x plus 5 cos 3x. So it is also similar to the previous case, because here also RHS is of the, or it is a sum of two functions, one is e power minus 4x and one is 5 cos 3x. So here the auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0, roots are 2 comma 2, so therefore the complementary function is c1 plus c2x e power 2x. And now the particular integral is 1 divided by f of d, that f of d is d square minus 4d plus 4 e power minus 4x plus 5 cos 3x, and it is equal to, now splitting the denominator to each and every function which is in the numerator. So now 1 divided by d square minus 4d into e power minus 4x plus 5 divided by d square minus 4d into cos 3x. So in the first case we need to substitute d equal to minus 4, and for the second function d square equal to minus 9. Then this is equal to 1 divided by d square, that is minus 4 square, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 4 e power minus 4x, 5 divided by, and d square is minus 9, so therefore minus 9 minus 4d plus 4 cos 3x. Then it is equal to 1 divided by 4 square, that becomes 16, minus into minus becomes plus, 16 plus 4 e power minus 4x plus 5 divided by minus 4d minus 5, because minus 9 plus 4 into cos 3x. So here the sum of these three, that is 16 plus 4 is 36, that is 1 divided by 36 e power minus 4x plus, here we can take that minus 1 common from the denominator, that becomes minus 5 divided by 4d plus 5 cos 3x. Then here there is a linear factor which is remaining in the denominator. Whenever a linear factor is remaining, then we need to rationalize that. So therefore it is 1 divided by 36 e power minus 4x minus 5, that numerator we have taken minus 5, then 4d plus 5 is remaining, then we need to multiply by 4d minus 5, 4d minus 5 into 4d plus 5 cos 3x. Then this is equal to, so here 1 by 36 e power minus 4x minus 5 into 4d minus 5 as it is, and in the denominator it becomes 16d square minus 25 cos 3x, because a plus b into a minus b form. Then this is equal to 1 by 36 e power minus 4x minus 5 into 4d minus 5 divided by 16, d square is minus 9 minus 25 cos 3x. Then here, now this total becomes minus 16 into 9 and minus 25. So now this is equal to 1 divided by 36 e power minus 4x minus 5 divided by, so here the sum in the denominator, this becomes negative, so already negative sign is there, so therefore this becomes plus 169 into, here numerator 4d minus 5 cos 3x is there, then we need to multiply separately, then solve, that becomes 4 into d cos 3x minus 5 cos 3x, then it is equal to 1 divided by 36 e power minus 4x plus 5 by 169. Here differentiation of cos 3x is minus 3 sin 3x, so already 4 is there, that becomes minus 12 sin 3x minus 5 cos 3x. So on simplifying, this becomes 1 divided by 36 e power minus 4x. Here we can take that negative sign outside, then that will become minus 5 divided by 169 12 sin 3x plus 5 cos 3x, which is the required particular integral. So we got both complementary function as well as particular integral. Therefore finally write the complete solution y is equal to CF plus PI. The next example is d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 6 into e power minus 3x plus sin 2x. So here the auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. The roots are 1 and 2 which are real and distinct. So therefore the complementary function is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. That is easy to write. And now particular integral. So here in RHS we have two functions. One is 6 e power minus 3x and sin 2x. So here 1 divided by f of d into that function, and now split the function f of d for each and every function separately. Now it is 6 divided by d square minus 3d plus 2 e power minus 3x plus again 1 divided by d square minus 3d plus 2 into sin 2x. So for the first one d equal to minus 3 and for second one d square equal to minus 4. Then this is equal to 6 divided by d equal to minus 3, that becomes minus 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 plus 2 e power minus 3x plus 1 divided by. So here d square is minus a square means minus 4 minus 3d plus 2 sin 2x. Then it is 6 divided by 3 square 9 plus 9 plus 2 e power minus 3x. Here minus 3d and minus 4 plus 2, that becomes minus 2 sin 2x. This is equal to, so here 9 plus 9 plus 2, that becomes 20. So 6 by 20 e power minus 3x. Here let us take minus com outside from the denominator, minus 3d minus 2, that becomes minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3d sin 2x. 2 plus 3d or 3d plus 2, both are same. Then 6 by 20 can be written as 3 by 10 e power minus 3x minus. So here it is a linear factor of d. So therefore rationalize the denominator by multiplying 2 minus 3d, and the here 2 plus 3d is already there. Then after multiplying by 2 minus 3d, that becomes 4 minus 9d square sin 2x. Directly a square minus d square form. Then this is equal to 3 by 10 e power minus 3x minus 2 minus 3d divided by 4 minus 9 into minus 4 into sin 2x. This is 3 by 10 e power minus 3x minus. So here d square we have substituted minus 9, then minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 9 minus in plus 36 4, that is 40. So 1 by 40. Now multiplying this 2 sin 3x minus 3 into 2 sin 2x, 3 into differentiation of sin 2x. Then this is equal to 3 by 10 e power minus 3x minus 1 by 40. So here 1 by 40 as it is, 2 sin 2x is as it is, and here differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. So already 3 is there, that becomes 3 into 2, that is 6 cos 2x. So minus 1 by 40 into 2 sin 2x minus 6 cos 2x, which is the required particular integral. Then write the complete solution y is equal to cf plus pi, and do not forget to write this complete solution. The next example is d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to cos 3x into cos 2x. So here auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. These are the roots and this is the complementary function. Now on RHS, it is not the sum of two functions, it is a product of two functions. So but we can split the function if RHS is the sum of two or more functions. Whenever it is the product, first we need to express that product as sum. So by using the trigonometric identities, so we know that cos A cos B formula. So here it is the formula, cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, right. So here capital A is equal to 3x and B equal to 2x, substitute these two in this formula. So now we get here particular integral is 1 by f of d into that function on RHS. Now this function can be written as 1 by 2, that is in the formula, then cos of A plus B, that is cos of 3x plus 2x cos 5x, and cos of A minus B, that is 3x minus 2x, which is equal to cos x. Then 1 by 2, let us write that outside, and now split the function, because now we got the sum of two functions. So first function cos 5x, second function cos x. So therefore 1 divided by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 5x plus 1 divided by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos x. So therefore now we have splitted that cos 3x into cos 2x as cos 5x plus cos x. Now it is easy to solve. Now it is 1 by 2 into 1 divided by. So here d square equal to what? Minus a square, and a is 5. So minus a square means minus 25 minus 3d plus 2 cos 5x plus 1 divided by. So here d square is minus a square and a is equal to 1. Then it is minus 1 minus 3d plus 2 cos x. So which is equal to 1 by 2. 1 divided by, so here minus 3d minus 25 plus 2, that is minus 23 cos 5x plus 1 divided by minus 3d. So here minus 1 plus 2, that becomes plus 1 cos x, 1 by 2. So here taking that minus 1 common from the denominator, that becomes minus 1 divided by 3d plus 23 cos 5x plus 1 divided by 1 minus 3d cos x. This is equal to 1 by 2. Here minus as it is. Now in the denominator we have a linear factor of d, that is 3d plus 23. Then we need to multiply and divide by the term 3d minus 23. So therefore 3d minus 23 multiplied, then we need to divide by the same term. Then the denominator becomes 9d square minus 23 square, that is 529 cos 5x, and here multiplying by 1 plus 3d, and denominator becomes 1 minus 9d square cos x. So it is equal to 1 by 2 minus as it is. Now 3d minus 23 cos 5x divided by, here 9 into minus 25 minus 529 plus 1 plus 3d into cos x divided by 1 minus 9 minus 1. Then next we need to simplify this one. So here we have substituted d square equal to minus 25 in the first one and d square equal to minus 1 in the second one. Next here it is equal to 1 by 2 minus, so let us multiply this 3d to cos 5x, that becomes 3d cos 5x minus 23 cos 5x divided by. So now 9 into minus 25 minus 529, that becomes minus 754, plus here minus into minus becomes plus, then that becomes 1 plus 9, that is 1 by 10 into 1 into cos x, that is cos x, plus 3 into d cos x, 1 by 2, minus into minus becomes plus, then here 3 into differentiation of cos 5x. So differentiation of cos 5x is minus 5 sin 5x, so already 3 is there, that becomes minus 15 sin 5x minus 23 cos 5x whole divided by 754 plus 1 by 10 into, here it is cos x as it is, then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus 3 is already there, so 3 sin x. This is the required particular integral. So here important thing is, whenever RHS is not the sum or difference of two functions, then try to reduce that as the sum or difference of the two functions and then proceed. Next example, d square plus 1 into y is equal to 3 cos square x plus 2 sin square x. So here auxiliary equation m square plus 1, m equal to plus or minus I, the complementary function is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, that is fine. But on RHS the function is different. Here the function is 3 cos square x plus 2 sin square x. If it is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, we can directly split the function in denominator and write the solution directly just by substituting d square equal to minus a square. But here it is cos square. Remind that whenever the trigonometric function has the power more than 1, then it is not easy to, or we cannot write directly the particular integral, because the particular integral is possible only when RHS is of the form sin ax, means the trigonometric function should have the power equal to 1. If it is more than 1, then we cannot apply directly the particular integral. So for that we are using some identities of the trigonometry. Now here first let us simplify the function on RHS. So 3 cos square x plus 2 sin square x is given. So we know that cos square is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 and sin square is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So by using that identity, the 3 into 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, and here 2 as it is, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Then here 3 by 2 into 1, that becomes 3 by 2, then 3 by 2 into cos 2x plus 1 minus cos 2x. Now 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2 and 3 by 2 minus 1, because if you take that cos 2x outside, then 3 by 2 minus 1 is remaining. This 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 cos 2x. Now the function became 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. So now apply the particular integral. So particular integral is equal to 1 by d square plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Then separate the functions. 1 by d square plus 1, 5 by 2 as it is. If there is no function, means that can be written as e power 0x, because to find the particular integral we have this choice, plus 1 by 2, 1 divided by d square plus 1 into cos 2x, then it is equal to. So for the first function a is equal to 0, then substitute a equal to 0, that becomes 1 divided by 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1, and this e power 0x is 1 itself. So that becomes 5 by 2 only plus 1 by 2, and here d square is minus 4, because a is 2, then d square is minus a square means minus 4. So 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1, cos 2x. So therefore 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, here 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 3 cos 2x. So therefore 5 by 2 plus here it becomes minus 1 divided by 6 cos 2x. So therefore 5 by 2 minus 1 by 6 cos 2x is the required particular integral. So after getting the particular integral, write the complete solution. Y is equal to CF plus PI. So to solve the differential equation, you should go through the identities of trigonometry which are given in second PU and first PU. So do not forget to remember them, because here this procedure is for, okay, this is the degree procedure, that to solving the particular integral of some given function, but to simplify the function on RHS we need the identities. So therefore please go through those identities, then use them accordingly.